For the face mask, you will need 25 centimeters of fabric, preferably cotton, elastic, our PDF sewing pattern, matching thread, scissors, and a sewing machine. Cut out the patterns for the main fabric and for the lining. You will need 2 pieces of each. To sew the dart, fold each piece so that the good sides are inside. Pin it, draw on it, and then sew on it. Next step is to sew the front face seam. Place one piece on the other, good sides always facing inside, and sew. Do the same for the lining as well. Press all seams for both pieces, the main fabric and the lining. Place the 2 pieces one on the other, good sides always facing inside, and start pinning from the center and going your way to the sides to make sure the 2 pieces match. Then sew the upper and bottom seam, leaving the sides open. Make some small cuts throughout the seam. Make sure that you don't cut the thread. We are at the final step before turning the whole mask inside out, and the purpose of doing these cuts is to have a better fitting. Turn the mask inside out so that you can see the good side. Now you may need to press again the whole mask, so it will be easier for you to continue with your project. At this point, you may want to perform a stitch all around the face mask to ensure it's fitting. If you do so, know that this stitch will be visible, so make sure it is even. Personally, sometimes I do this seam, sometimes I don't. It depends on the fabric and the design of the mask. Work on the sides and fold the fabric to create a tunnel. Make sure that you leave enough space for the elastic to pass through. Pin, and before you sew, compare the 2 sides to make sure they are even. Each face is different, so you need to fit the elastic at your face before you cut it. Place a safety pin on the one side and pass it through the tunnel. Now place the 2 sides one onto the other and sew. Do the same for the other side. You can hide this seam inside the tunnel and maybe secure it with some additional stitches. Your face mask is ready. Stay safe and stay creative. See you next time!